Hello everyone, welcome to infyGyan. In this video, we have one very interesting algebraic equation which we'll be solving for all possible four solutions, real or complex. So let's get it started. I will multiply first term of LHS, it is x, with last term of LHS 2x minus 3. Then we will multiply 2x plus 1 with x minus 2. Right hand side is 63. Let's multiply these two and these two. We will get 2x square minus 3x. In other bracket, we'll get 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2 equal to 63, which will become 2x square minus 3x times 2x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 63. Now we can assume 2x square minus 3x equal to a. So let me write here 2x square minus 3x equal to a, suppose. So we can write equation a times a minus 2 equal to 63. Now we will use distributive property and we can get a square minus 2a in LHS. So we can write a square minus 2a. This will be equal to 63. Now I will use completing the square method. So coefficient of x is minus 2, half of minus 2 is minus 1, square of minus 1 is plus 1. So we are going to add 1 to both sides. We have added 1 in LHS, so we will add 1 in RHS. Now from these three terms we can write this is a minus 1 whole square, and in right hand side we have 64. Now we know that 64 is square of 8. So we can write a minus 1 whole square equal to 8 square. Now we have squares both sides, so we can take square root. Square root. So we have to put plus minus sign in right hand side. Now we will cancel square root with a square from LHS and RHS. So we will write a minus 1 in LHS, and there would be plus minus 8 in RHS. Now we will add 1 to both sides. So we will get a equal to 1 plus minus 8. So we have two a values. If I will write 1 plus 8 and second would be 1 minus 8. So we will write a equal to 1 plus 8 and 1 minus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. So we have a equal to 9 and a equal to minus 7. Now a was 2x square minus 3x equal to 9 and minus 7. So we'll write two quadratic equation from here. First one is 2x square minus 3x equal to 9. Second one is 2x square minus 3x equal to minus 7. We'll write all the terms to one side and get 2x square minus 3x minus 9 equal to 0. This is first quadratic equation. Now from second equation we can write 2x square minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So we have to solve two quadratic equations. Let's begin with first one, 2x square minus 3x minus 9 equal to 0. We are going to use quadratic formula over here. First of all, we will write the values of a, b and c. A is coefficient of x square, it is 2. B is coefficient of x, it is minus 3. C is constant, it is minus 9. And we are going to use formula x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Let's plug in all the values of a, b and c. We will get x equal to minus b. So minus of minus 3 plus minus square root of b square will be minus 3 square minus 4 times a is 2, c is negative 9 over 2 times 2, which will be equal to 3 plus minus square root of 9. Minus times minus becomes plus. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 9 is 72 over 4 will be equal to 3 plus minus square root 81 over 4. So x will become 3 plus minus square root 81 is 9 over 4. We will write 3 plus 9 over 4. And second solution would be 3 minus 9 over 4. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 over 4 is 3. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Minus 6 over 4 is minus 3 over 2. So from first quadratic equation, we have two real solutions. X equal to 3, x equal to minus 3 over 2. Now we have to solve second quadratic equation, which we will solve over here. 2x square minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is minus 3, c is 7. As per formula, we will plug in all the values of a, b and c. Minus b, so minus of minus 3 plus minus square root of b square will be minus 3 square minus 4 times 2 times c is 7 over 2 times 2, which will be equal to 3 plus minus square root. Minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56 over 4, which will become 3 plus minus square root of minus 47. Square root of minus 1 is complex number I. So I is square root 47 over 4. So from second quadratic equation, we have two complex solutions. If I will write x1, then x1 is 3. If I will write second solution x2, it is minus 3 over 2. And if we will write third and fourth root of quartic equation, then we will write 3 plus minus I square root 47 over 4. Here we have all four roots of the quartic equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.